cookie. Ay, ito na naman. You want a cookie? What? Okay, we can share you. Here, two of you. Here you go, Steffi. So small. Look at mine, so big. And it's not even candy. Look at Steffi, guys. Wait. Hello. She said hello. Is that your favorite?
Pangako talaga. Bibiro ko niya 500 mo.
That gets
500 yan kami.
bubble gum. Tita, nag-i-eat ng gum si Aki. Nag-i-eat ng gum si Aki. Magbubati si Aki.
Ano na siya?
Okay. Nag-i-eat siya ng food na hindi favorite. No, this is sour. I said now you're happy. Then we will have our house again. My house is beautiful. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Magsabi kayo bye-bye. Bye. Now can you build your house?